in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off and disable site-suggested ads from appearing on your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Chromebook web browser and select the menu icon up at the top right, and then go down and select Settings. On the left panel, select Privacy and Security. And then on the right side, underneath Privacy and Security, you want to go down and select where it says Add Privacy. Select Site Suggested Ads, and then you want to toggle this top option off to disable it, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.